Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive deep into a common issue faced by many Huawei Mate 40 Rs users, the dreaded problem of the device not turning on. If you found yourself in this unfortunate situation, don't worry. We've got you covered with some valuable insights and a potential solution: motherboard repair. To tackle this issue effectively, it's essential to understand what's happening behind the scenes. If your Huawei Mate 40 Rs won't turn on, it's likely indicative of a problem with the motherboard. The motherboard, often referred to as the heart of the device, is the central component responsible for connecting all other elements like the CPU, memory, and battery and providing the power they need to function. When you press the power button and nothing happens, it can feel frustrating and even hopeless. However, it's crucial to recognize that this problem can stem from various causes. These include software issues, hardware malfunctions, or even simple power-related problems. In many cases, however, a defective motherboard may be the root cause. Initial troubleshooting steps. Before jumping straight into repair solutions, there are a few initial troubleshooting steps you can take to rule out simpler problems. 1. Charge your device. Sometimes, the issue is as simple as a drained battery. Make sure to connect your Huawei Mate 40 Rs to a charger and let it charge for at least 30 minutes before attempting to turn it on again. 2. Inspect the charging port. Ensure that the charging port is free of dust and debris. You can use a soft brush or compressed air to carefully clean it. 3. Force restart the device. Depending on the model, you might be able to perform a force restart by holding down the power button for an extended period, usually around 10 seconds. This can sometimes reset the device if it's stuck in a non-responsive state. For dot test with a different charger, using a different charger or cable can help you determine if the issue lies with your charging equipment rather than the phone itself. If these steps don't yield results, it's time to consider the possibility of a more serious issue concerning the motherboard. Seeking professional help. The best course of action, in this case, is to take your Huawei Mate 40 Rs to a professional for motherboard repair. Finding a competent technician is vital, as they can perform a thorough diagnostic to pinpoint the exact issue. A skilled technician will usually check the following: visual inspection, looking for any signs of physical damage, such as burn marks, cracks, or corrosion. Battery health. Sometimes, the battery itself may cause the device not to turn on due to failure, prompting necessary tests. Voltage measurements. Technicians often measure voltage levels to determine if the motherboard is receiving adequate power from the battery. Component testing. This can include testing components like capacitors or resistors on the motherboard to identify malfunctions. The technician will ultimately determine if the motherboard needs a repair, replacement, or if the issue stems from another component entirely. Costs of motherboard repair. Now, let's talk about the cost. Repairing or replacing the motherboard in devices like the Huawei Mate 40 Rs can often be quite expensive. Prices can vary significantly based on several factors including location. Repair costs in urban areas may be higher than in rural ones due to higher overhead. Repair shop reputation. Authorized service centers may charge a premium due to warranty considerations, while third-party repair shops might offer competitive pricing. Parts availability. If replacement parts are in high demand or low supply, this can drive costs up. Always inquire if the shop uses OEM original equipment manufacturer parts versus third-party components. Also, be prepared for the fact that motherboard repair is not a guaranteed fix. There remains a chance that the issues might have originated from another faulty component such as battery failure. This is a common issue that can mask itself as a motherboard problem. Charging port damage. This can prevent the device from receiving power altogether. Software issues. Sometimes, software glitches can mimic hardware failure. A full factory reset may resolve such issues, though be sure to backup data first. Considering refurbished devices. If the cost of repairing your current device feels prohibitive or you want to explore alternative options, purchasing a refurbished Huawei Mate 40 Rs may be worth considering. But remember to do your due diligence. Warranty. Always check if the refurbished device comes with a warranty. This can offer you some peace of mind should you encounter issues in the future. Seller reputation. Research the reputation of the seller. Trusted retailers generally provide better warranties and customer service. Device condition: look for sellers who provide detailed information about the device's condition, including any past repairs or cosmetic imperfections. Conclusion: in conclusion, if your Huawei Mate 40 RS won't turn on, it's likely due to a motherboard issue. While initial troubleshooting steps can help, it's often best to consult a professional technician for an accurate diagnosis and repair when facing such issues. While motherboard repairs can be costly, they are frequently the most reliable and efficient solution. Always prioritize professional assistance and be cautious of attempting to repair such delicate components yourself, especially if you're unsure. Thank you for tuning into this tech tip. If you found this information helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, keep your tech smart and stay savvy.